doing, Lee?
Mate, I'm putting one of our fantastic new All the Gear Some Idea stickers on the Mini.
Nice.
Trying to get it nice and straight. Whilst we're on that subject.
Yeah, whilst we're on that subject, a while ago, a very long time ago, we did a video on my HPS 125 and we said, guess the price. We had 3 comments on that one video. One was £800.
One was £900.
Yeah, I think £900.
Round about that.
And the other one, let me just check, I'm sure was £300. That is correct. It was 300. And it was from somebody called Barry Hind 9771. I think he followed us from the Mondial page on Facebook.
Nice.
I think, I'm not sure. But this is basically, congratulations, Barry.
Yeah,
you are the closest.
We're going to send you one of our All the Gear Some Idea stickers.
Yep.
So you can put that as and where you please. It's got a lovely QR code on there, which is linked to our link tree, so you can access our Instagram, TikTok, YouTube channel on there. So yeah, we hope you're happy with your prize.
Yeah, well, there's going to be something else in there, like Milky Bar.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
We said Milky Bar,
so
so
Tank Fastics or something like that in there, you know.
Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. You were the closest because I paid a grand sum of £250 for that bike.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
So I'm fairly happy with that. Yeah, so well done, Barry.
Well done,
don't
Barry.
forget to either, I don't know if you can DM us or if you've got me somehow on Facebook via the Mondial thing, or our email is at the bottom of the video. Hit us up.
We'll get it sent out to you.
We'll get you some stickers, probably more than one.
Yeah, why not? We've got plenty of
And yeah, but no, as we say, we were going to do it. It's taken a while. But we're of our word, if you like.
Yeah.
So,
we've still got the quad bike to be guessed as well. So if you fancy having a guess on the quad bike, go and find the video.
Yeah,
it's one of the first videos on the quad bike. We mentioned in there. Guess how much we paid for it.
And Barry, if you guess on that one, hopefully you get close and you do it really quick, so we can send it all in one go.
Yeah. But yeah, guys. So yeah, again, thanks for your continued support. Like, subscribe, and look out for much more content.
Yeah. See you next time.
Ta-da.